Today I will share with you a Schoology classroom. This is one of our 4th grade virtual teachers' classrooms. So first I want to scroll down and show you that the folders that are colored are the ones that students can see, where if you unpublish the folders, you still have access to, but students are unable to see those folders or assignments in here. So it's a great way to have certain assignments that are ready to go to be pushed into folders, or classes that are coming up, days that are coming up that you have prepared but you don't want students to see yet. So here is the teacher view. If you would like to see a student's view, you'll go under your picture in the top left corner, Course Options, View Course As, and you can choose any student on here, and then you can see what they see. So now when I scroll down, I only see those folders in the materials that are published. So that is one thing. You can go back to course and I will view this as the teacher. Then we have some buttons up here. So the Zoom class meeting, that is so students can access the class meeting every day, and the Clever, and then this teacher has a class website as well that students can access. So as we are in here, it is Wednesday, so as a student you know to go into Wednesday, and the assignments are linked in here for the day. So here is an RSA that is linked in here, but you will have your folders set up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and they're color coded. So red is Monday, Tuesday's orange, Wednesday's yellow, Thursday's green, and Friday is blue. That way the students know which folder to click on for which day of the week it is. And there's also a way then, if you want to have a check done, you can color code that check done to that folder. So here are some assignments that students will be able to do. They know to access them because it is in the assignments to complete the week of October 19th. Other things that you may want to know are updates. So here is where, if you have your buttons, that is where you will house your buttons. So when you have an update, when you are making it, there will be a little bell, and you'll want to click on that bell. That way it goes to the top of your page and will stay there as an announcement. Over here we have notifications, and you can turn them on or off. Since I am not the course instructor, I have all of these turned off. But if you want to know when an assignment is submitted, or a comment, or a course update is posted, you can click any of those on, and then you can save those changes. Up here, it will show you if you have any messages, which it shows I have 2, and then we have the notifications here as well. To add an assignment, when we go to materials, and we're going to scroll down to add materials, and I will go to add assignment. Now, if you have your Google Drive turned on, this is how you can do a Google assignment. Of course, this is just, there we go. And so you can see I have my Google Drive assignments turned on, and my OneDrive assignments, and Kami. So if I want to assign something, I will go here and it'll pull up my Google Drive. That way I'm not having to go out. I just click on whatever I want and attach it, and it will assign it straight from my drive. When students submit something that is from my drive, it'll create a folder on my Google Drive. So to turn these on, you will want to go to Resources, and down here in the left-hand corner to Apps. In Apps, you'll go to Install Apps, which you will see I have my Google Drive, my OneDrive, and YouTube. But you'll go to Install Apps, I agree, and then there's 3 other ones I could install if I wanted to, so you'll press Install, and it will install for you, and that way you will have that option to have your Google Drive resource app, so you can assign apps right in there. Alright, when I go back to courses then, I will go back into my classroom. And so that is an overview of the classroom. If you have any questions, please reach out to your technology coach.